In which country are white elephants found? A. India, B. Africa, C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is B. Africa. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? A. Hen, B. Ostrich, C. Duck. Correct answer is B. Ostrich. In which country was the clock invented? A. England, B. Switzerland, C. Germany. Correct answer is C. Germany. Which has the fastest speed in the world? A. Light, B. Sound, C. Wind. Correct answer is A. Light. Which country has the freshest and sweetest water in the world? A. Canada, B. Russia, C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. Canada. When did China attack India? A. In 1948, B. In 1962, C. In 1971. Correct answer is B. In 1962. In which Indian state do the least number of Muslims live? A. Punjab, B. Nagaland, C. Goa. Correct answer is B. Nagaland. In which country is gaining weight considered illegal? A. Japan, B. China, C. America. Correct answer is A. Japan. Who can pardon a death sentence in India? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Supreme Court. Correct answer is B. President. When did demonetization take place in India? A. The 8th of November 2016, B. The 5th of August 2019, C. The 15th of August 2014. Correct answer is A. The 8th of November 2016. In which country is the use of plastic punishable? A. Kenya, B. India, C. Canada. Correct answer is A. Kenya. When was electricity first introduced in India? A. 1879, B. 1897, C. 1902. Correct answer is B. 1897. Which gas is emitted from motor vehicles? A. Carbon monoxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Oxygen. Correct answer is A. Carbon monoxide. People of which Indian state use the internet the most? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. In which Indian state is the village named India Pakistan located? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. How many rings are there in the Olympic flag? A. 5, B. 6, C. 4. Correct answer is A. 5. Where was Mother Teresa born? A. Skopje, Macedonia, B. Kolkata, C. Rome. Correct answer is A. Skopje, Macedonia. Who built the Agra fort? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Babur. Correct answer is A. Akbar. Which Indian state has the largest railway network? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. When was the Constitution of India enforced? A. The 26th of January 1950. B. The 15th of August 1947. C. The 2nd of October 1949. Correct answer is A. The 26th of January 1950.